Hi, I'm Devdatta Narote, a data scientist at Genentech with a background in applying advanced analytics and AI to solve complex problems across the healthcare ecosystem. My work focuses on leveraging machine learning and natural language processing to support decision making in high impact and regulated environments. At Genentech, patients are the core of our mission. Everything we do, whether in research, operations, or data science, aims to uphold patient safety, improve outcomes, and maintain higher standard of quality and care. In this talk, I'll be sharing a conceptual approach to enhancing adverse event and product quality complaint detection within the pharmaceutical contact centers. AEs and PQCs are critical patient safety signals that must be promptly identified and reported. With the growing volume of unstructured data and omnichannel communications, contact centers face increasing challenges in capturing these signals effectively. We'll explore those challenges, how AI technologies might assist in closing gaps, and how a human in the loop approach can support more responsive patient care. Obviously, with the understanding that any such system must complement, not replace, clinical oversight and regulatory rigor. Just to set the stage clearly, here is a quick disclaimer before we get into the content. So, before we get started, I want to emphasize that the views and perspectives shared in this presentation are intended for information and conceptual purposes only. They don't reflect the official position, strategy, or endorsement of Roche, Genentech, or any of their affiliates. Any references to technology, system architecture, or processes are purely illustrative and should not be interpreted as descriptions of current or planned implementations. Above all, I want to acknowledge that patient safety is and always will be a top priority. If AI solutions are ever considered for deployment in this space, they would be subjected to rigorous validation, compliance with all regulatory requirements, and careful ethical oversight. Now that you have an overview of the focus of this discussion, let's begin with defining AE and PQCs to understand its importance. So, an adverse event or AE is any negative or unexpected medical issue that arises in patient who has been administered a pharmaceutical product, even if a direct link to the product has not been established. These issues can be minor as say mild nausea or headaches, or severe as life-threatening conditions such as failures or serious allergic reactions. Regardless of their severity or obviousness, or without determining the cause and effect relationship, such incidents warrant close attention, evaluation, and timely reporting to healthcare authorities. Likewise, product quality complaints or PQCs concern any reported anomalies in product's identity, potency, purity, quality, packaging, or even labeling. So, some examples may include an incorrect dosage listed on the label, contaminated product contains, compromised packaging that allows moisture or say a foreign particles inside, or inconsistencies in appearance or efficacy. These flaws can pose a significant risk to patient safety, potentially reducing the therapeutic effectiveness or even introducing harmful substances. Both AEs and PQCs call for immediate detection, thorough investigation, and prompt reporting to the proper authorities. Handling these issues transparently helps safeguard patient health, preserve the credibility of pharmaceutical products, and uphold regulatory compliance with organizations such as FDA and EMA. By proactively managing AEs and PQCs, companies can maintain high quality standards, foster trust among healthcare professionals and the public, and continually enhance the safety and reliability of their offerings. The stakes could hardly be any higher. Effective AE and PQC monitoring not only identifies risk early, protecting patient safety and improving drug safety, but also reinforces public trust in pharmaceutical and healthcare systems. When the vigilance is compromised, the repercussions can be catastrophic, both for patients, companies, and public health as a whole. With the understanding of these critical definitions, let's explore broader healthcare ecosystem and its growing market, understanding the opportunity around. So, in today's healthcare landscape, pharmaceutical contact centers serve as essential touch points connecting patients and healthcare providers with timely medical information and support. These centers represent the human face of the pharmaceutical industry, managing millions of sensitive interactions each year. When we talk about the global contact center market, it is projected to reach 600 billion by 2027 at a CAGR of 5.6%, with North America leading due to its early adoption of digital and AI technologies. At the same time, when we talk about the pharmacovigilance market, it is valued at around 7 billion in 2023, is expected to grow to nearly 12 billion by 2030, expanding at a staggering rate of 6.8% annually. This growth is fueled by tighter regulations, increased focus on drug safety. As these sectors evolve, so too does the scale and complexity of AE and PQC monitoring, creating both significant challenges and meaningful opportunities for innovation. Now, despite the impressive market growth, pharmaceutical contact centers face a pressing reality: increasing call volumes, evolving regulatory expectations, and operational inefficiencies are creating substantial challenges in AE and PQC monitoring. These issues directly impact both patient safety and regulatory compliance. With millions of interactions handled each year, even minor delays in AE reporting can lead to significant consequences, including delayed interventions, extended patient risk, and heightened regulatory scrutiny. The use of external service providers can help expand capacity, but it may also introduce variability in process, including missed SLAs or gaps in corrective and preventive action CAPA protocols. These factors add complexity to the oversight and can result in costly rework, regulatory files, and missed safety signals. For contact center staff, the environment can be equally challenging. Manual or repetitive tasks may make it difficult to detect subtle indicators of adverse event, contributing to the cognitive fatigue, errors, and staff turnover. These human factors can further strain the pharmacovigilance process. Now, compounding this is the issue of fragmented data management. When teams must manually reconcile data across disparate systems such as call logs, CRMs, vendor reports, it becomes difficult to gain a comprehensive view of safety signals. This creates data silos that hinder timely escalation and effective risk mitigation. To address this growing pressure, pharmaceutical contact centers must explore responsible and innovative solutions that can improve efficiency, strengthen compliance, and most importantly, support timely and accurate identifications of potential safety concerns. These challenges are further compounded by the shift towards multiple communication channels. Let's explore how this digital evolution is impacting detection efforts. So, today's challenges are extended well beyond managing just the high call volumes. Modern pharmaceutical organizations must navigate an increasingly diverse and complex communication landscape. AE reports now arrive through multiple channels like, say, phone calls, emails, web portals, and even social media. This creates a fragmented data environment. Now, traditional monitoring systems, often designed around structured input, struggle to capture, consolidate, and analyze these signals effectively. This omni-channel complexity increases the risk of delays, inconsistencies, or missed signals in the detection process, potentially impacting both patient safety and regulatory timelines. Further complicating matters is the sheer volume of unstructured data, which forces many organizations to depend on manual workflows. These processes are time intensive, prone to error, and even difficult to scale, making it challenging to ensure consistency and respond quickly in safety monitoring. These operational limitations underscore the need for new approaches that can better support accurate identification and reporting of potential adverse event. Given this evolving dynamics, let's now explore how AI-driven technologies are being explored to help close these critical gaps in AE and PQC detection. So, amid these challenges, AI driven technologies are being explored as tools to support the AE detection and address gaps that exist in traditional monitoring methods. These tools can process large volumes of unstructured data from sources such as contact centers, digital platforms, and patient support programs. By applying NLP or natural language processing and contextual analysis, AI can help surface potential AEs for human review by prioritizing cases that may warrant further investigation. Now, rather than replacing expert judgment, these systems aim to assist in identifying important details, such as reported symptoms, medication names, or even usage context, which may otherwise be difficult to extract quickly at scale. So beyond detection, AI-enabled solutions may help streamline certain aspects of workflow management, such as pre-populating reports or maintaining audit trails that support regulatory compliance and data traceability. When paired with monitoring tools like, say, dashboards, this system can also provide visibility into detection trends and process performance, supporting continuous improvement. To explore how such a system might work in practice, let's walk through a conceptual process flow showing how AI could actually assist from initial contact through the final case validation. So, when a patient or a healthcare provider initiates contact, say via phone or chat, their inquiry enters a contact center system where it is routed for response and documentation. In a conceptual AI supported model, these interactions could be handled collaboratively by an AI powered virtual assistant and a skilled human agent working together in real time to respond efficiently while maintaining quality and compliance. For routine or straightforward inquiries, a virtual assistant may manage the conversation autonomously while transcribing the interactions in real time. These transcripts serve as input to AE and PQC detection model, which reviews the content to identify potential AE signals and PQC signals. At the heart of this workflow is knowledge base, a curated repository of medical information, product data, regulatory guidance, and compliance resources. This knowledge base is regularly updated to reflect the latest medical understanding, regulatory updates, and insights from past safety case evaluations. Using NLP and semantic analysis, the AI model references this knowledge base to understand the context of each conversation, such as the symptoms described, the product references, and relevant timings or dosage information. By cross referencing these elements, the model can flag interactions that may represent a potential AE or PQC. Now, once flagged, a validation module performs additional checks to verify completeness and relevance before preparing a structured report for human review. The AI detection model serves as an intelligent engine of this process. It by continuously analyzing data to detect potential safety events. It also assigns a confidence score to each case based on the linguistic patterns, clinical terminology, and contextual cues from the conversation. If this score exceeds a predefined threshold, the interaction is escalated for further review by medical or safety personnel. So rather than relying solely on the keyword matching, the model applies contextual reasoning, evaluating whether symptoms align with the known side effects of a specific medication while factoring in dosage, treatment duration, and other patient related variables. This actually helps ensure that only relevant meaningful cases move forward in the workflow. The model may also incorporate context identification, assessing variables like timing, severity, patient history, and co-occurring health conditions. This allows the system to differentiate between a lower priority issue and a more serious safety concerns requiring immediate attention. Transparency is the key element. The model is designed to provide clear explanation and evidence behind each flagged event. This actually is enabling the human reviewer to understand the rationale and maintain trust in AI's recommendation. Together, the confidence scoring, contextual analysis, and transparent decision support creates a strong foundation for AI assisted AE detection, where human reviewers remain the central and focus their expertise on highest priority cases. Throughout this entire process, human agents play an essential role. When the system detects a potential AE or PQC, or when the inquiry involves clinical nuances or complex judgment, that platform surfaces real time insights directly to the agent's interface. This provides helpful context and guidance, enabling timely escalation and appropriate follow up. This hybrid model of AI support and human oversight is designed to enhance accuracy, compliance, and responsiveness, ensuring that each interaction is evaluated with appropriate level of care and clinical rigor. In the background, KPIs are tracked continuously, monitoring AE and PQC detection rates, processing times, and compliance metrics. These are visualized in dashboards that help operational teams to refine workflows, identify trends, and maintain high quality safety monitoring. The entire process from initial contact and AI assisted triage to human validation and then regulatory reporting is envisioned as an integrated intelligence system. By enabling collaboration between AI tools and human expert, this model aims to improve efficiency, uphold regulatory standards, and ensure that patient concern is handled with precision, care, and accountability. Now that we have seen how AI and human agents can work together conceptually in this process, let's explore the potential benefits this integrated approach may offer to various stakeholders in the contact center environment. So let's talk about the three major stakeholders. When we talk about the pharmaceutical contact centers, AI supported adverse event detection has the potential to enhance efficiency, compliance, and scalability, especially as communication volumes and regulatory expectation increase. For contact center agents, AI can help reduce cognitive load by surfacing potential AEs in real time, allowing them to focus on critical interactions that may involve patient safety concerns. This collaborative support can improve focus, reduce task fatigue, and contribute to more sustainable work environment. From a compliance standpoint, AI can assist in improving consistency and accuracy in the detection and documentation of AE and PQCs. Now, when paired with structured workflows and audit trails, such system may actually help to reduce the risk of delayed or incomplete reporting while supporting alignment with the regulatory expectations such as FDA 21 CFR Part 11. Operationally, AI-enabled tools offer the potential to support greater scalability. By automating portions of this intake, triage, and documentation process, contact centers can better manage high call volumes and complex data streams without compromising quality or safety monitoring practices. Ultimately, by integrating AI into existing pharmacovigilance workflows, obviously under human oversight, organizations may be able to respond to evolving demands more effectively while continuing to prioritize patient safety and regulatory responsibility. Let's now bring together the key points we have covered and recap the core takeaways from today's discussion. To wrap up, we have highlighted why AE and PQCs are critical to patient safety and regulatory compliance. We explored the challenges pharmaceutical contact centers face in managing large volumes of unstructured and omnichannel data. We introduced a conceptual AI driven approach that leverages natural language processing, classification models, and workflow automation. We outlined how this type of an architecture could support timely detection, enhance compliance processes, and improve operational scalability. Now, as the complexity of AI detection continues to grow, AI technologies are emerging as promising tools to support medical teams in pharmacovigilance. By assisting in data analysis, identifying potential AEs, and helping streamline reporting workflows, AI has the potential to enhance human decision making and reinforce patient safety efforts. That said, it is important to recognize that these technologies are still evolving. Any application in this space must be approached with rigorous validation, regulatory alignment, and clinical oversight. Looking ahead, AI may become an important enabler in the pharmacovigilance ecosystem, helping organizations respond to more respond more effectively to growing demands while continuing to uphold their commitment to patient safety, regulatory responsibility, and public health. I really thank you all for your time today. I hope you found this session insightful and thought provoking. Enjoy the rest of the event and its exciting sessions. Thank you.